Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Alibre Design officially and safely, step by step. No cracks, no torrents, no third-party websites. Only 100% official download from the Alibre website. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for Alibre Design Official Download, or directly, link in description. Always download Alibre Design only from the official website to avoid viruses, fake software, or data theft. Step 2. Click on Free Trial. On the home page, find the option for Alibre Design Trial and enter your name, email, and country, then submit the form. After that, the official download link will appear on your screen or in your email. Step 3. Choose Windows version and download. You'll be redirected to the official download page for Alibre Design. Now select the correct version for your system: Windows 10, Windows 11, 64-bit. Click on Download to start downloading the Alibre Design setup file. The installer size is usually around 600 to 900 megabytes, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you're ready to install it anytime. That's it! You've successfully downloaded Alibre Design from the official website, safely and legally. You can now run the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.